Hello guys, welcome to E-Mobility System Lab. Today we will discuss a very important topic, that is the roadmap to become embedded engineer basically. Okay, so if you want to become an system engineer but don't know where to start, this video is for you. Many students learn C programming or buy expensive courses but still don't know the correct learning path. In this video, I will show you a complete roadmap from beginner to professional level, covering all the skills, tools, projects, and technologies that companies expect from embedded engineers. Let's get started. So, step 1, learn the basics. Okay, so before touching microcontroller, build a strong foundation. Learn basic electronics, voltage, current, resistance, what is Ohm's law, diode, what is diode, transistors, digital electronics, number system. So you should understand all these topics. Basically these are the basic electronics, otherwise you will face a lot of difficulties in the debugging of hardware. Okay, now move on to step 2, master C programming. C is the backbone of embedded system, and basically you need to focus on variable, data types, loops, condition, functions, arrays and strings, pointer, structure, bitwise operators, memory management. So basically these are the C programming important topics you need to focus on. Practice daily by writing small programs. And step 3, learn microcontroller. Now move to microcontrollers. Basically a recommend board, STM32, ESP32, Arduino. Understand GPIO, timers, interrupt, ADC, what is timer, what is PWM, what is UART, how this communication protocol works. So basically you need to take understanding on microcontroller and related peripherals and communication protocols as well. And if we talk about step 4, learn development tools. You should know how to use the professional tools. So first of all, if suppose if you are working on STM32 microcontroller, then there is different development tool basically. So STM Cube IDE for the STM32 microcontroller, even Kyle Microvision you can take it. So this Kyle Microvision, with the help of this you can program any microcontroller basically, and it is also highly used in the industry. And third is VS Code, and in the last you need to understand GitHub, how to upload your whole project on the GitHub basically. So these are the basic tools you need to understand when you are going to work in the industry. Okay, so for the debugging, basically you should understand what is ST-Link, what is J-Link, how logic analyzer work, what is oscilloscope, how this oscilloscope is useful in the embedded system. You need to understand everything basically when you are working in the company or you are learning the embedded system. So learn communication protocols. Okay, so protocols are the essential in embedded systems. Learn UART, learn SPI, I2C, and CAN FD, USB basics, Ethernet basics. So you need to understand all these communication protocols. If you want to work in automotive industry, then CAN is a very important communication protocol. Okay, so now move on to step 6, learn RTOS. After mastering bare metal programming, learn an RTOS basically. Start with free RTOS, task, queues, semaphores, mutex, scheduling. So these are the free RTOS topic basically. You need to understand. And this is required in many professional debugging in embedded projects basically. Build project are what make your resume stand out. So examples: LED controller, digital clocks, weather restrictions, smart automations, motor control, data logger, IoT monitoring, automotive projects. Okay, automotive project, CAN communication, battery management, EV charging simulation, and BMS monitoring. Learn industry concepts for the product companies also learn. Bootloader, firmware updates, OTA, and lower modes, data sheets reading you need to understand. Debugging techniques you need to understand basically. Okay, now move on to step 9. Choose your domain. Embedded engineers can work in automotive, consumer electronics, medical devices, IoT, and robotics, aerospace, industrial automations as well. Choose one domain and build expertise. So my final advice would be like, remember, don't try to learn everything at once. Master one concept, build one project, then move to next. Consistency is more important than speed. If you follow the roadmap, you will build the skills needed for the internship, placement, and embedded engineering jobs.